Alright, so let's install Node.js on a Mac. The process is fairly straightforward. Simply go to nodejs.org. And once you're on the Node.js website, you'll see this big green button that says Download for OS X. The site will basically auto-detect your operating system and will serve you the best possible option. So go ahead and click on this button to start downloading the PKG file onto your hard drive. Once downloaded, click on the file to begin with the installation process. Simply keep clicking continue, then agree to the license agreement, then select install for all users of this computer and hit continue once again. Finally, you should see a button which says install. Click on it and then key in your password to begin with the installation process. At a later stage, if you wish to upgrade your installation, just repeat these steps and the Node.js installer will upgrade your current installation if you have any. Once installed, at the last screen, you can see the path at which Node was installed on your Mac. Hit close and let's open up a terminal instance. On the terminal, type node followed by a space and then followed by _version and press enter. If the installation did its job well, you should see the current version of Node.js as installed on your Mac. And that's it.